वेलकम टू सेंट्रल लीग यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के पार्ट 4 में मैं आपको सेटअप एंड डिज़ाइन योर ब्लॉग एंड ब्रेनस्टॉर्म ब्लॉग टॉपिक्स के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, उस वीडियो को लाइक करें। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सेटअप एंड डिज़ाइन योर ब्लॉग। चूज अ ब्लॉग टेम्पलेट, डिसाइड विच पेज टू इंक्लूड, get indexed on search engine, create a blog logo. At this point, your chosen blogging and hosting platform, domain name and blog niche. Your now equipped with all the basic of setting up your blog. Here's how to optimize your blog design. Choose a blog template. The first part of setup for a blog is selecting a template. Like your blog name, its look and feel will be an important part of its personality. The most efficient way to get your blog up running is to choose pre-designed blog template. After reward, you can customize it based on your preference. Be sure to pick one that cover your blog subject area. There are website template blogger of any genre, whether you're food blogger, photography blogger or business blogger. As you browse think about the mood you want to website communicate. For example, whether it's classic, modern, rugged, in minimalist. You should also take that into account as you further personalize the template with your preferred color physiology plays a huge role in forming your audience impress of your blog. As you choose a color palette, keep in mind the feeling and attitude that different colors. Avoid blue, for instance, tends avoid dependability and trust, while yellow evoke energy and joy. If you are unsure of which template to choose, take blog example surveys as helpful source of example. Decide which page to include. Once you choose a template, which page to include. The most blog information include one more than just a section to display the post. They might also include online store as in the image below, or a career contact page. Blog shop. Here an overview of the different options when designing your blog. Contact page. This is a place to put your email address so that fans and potential business partner can react out to you. You can also include a contact form so that people can send a message directly through your site. Sign up for my latest collabs. About page. This tells visitors who you are, what do you do, and why you do it, providing some context behind your blog and harmonizing your content. About Bella. Online store. You also want to add a separate online store page if you thinking of selling items related to your blog. You can call this page product or shop my look. If you want to beef of your blog, win even more pages to tutorial page, now trending page or other peak page are popular option. Navigate menu so that visitors can easily access to your blog as well as any other page. There are no right or wrong ways to set up a blog, so play around with different options to see what's best suit your style and personality. Keep in mind that you can always add or remove page over time as your blog evolves. Get indexed on search engine. Another part of start a blog, making sure visible of Google and other search. First, make sure your site is indexed on Google. Essentially, this means giving Google a hands up that your blog exists. You can do this by submitting your step map to Google Search Console. Pro tips. Google Search Console is not only important for indexing your site, but is also important data about your blog site, visitors and click, which you can use to improve your content. To find out whether your site is already included in Google search index, do a quick site search. Use a homepage URL to tag a form, create a blog logo. Finally, polishing of your site with attractive blog logo is another way to add one option to design on or outsource task. But also, once you create your logo, place it in the upper left hand corner of your website and link it to homepage. If you this will help brand you content while improving the navigation experience to readers. Maro or UI brainstorm blog topics. On the technical side, your blog is now set up and ready to go. It's time to start thinking about which topic you get started with. Begin by thinking about by experience, success, failure, or discover related your niche. What inside your can you share? What ideas you're looking to explore in depth? As you think a topic, try to get your readers head some question to guide you through the brainstorming process. What characteristic does my target audience possess? What subject doesn't my target audience get excited about? What challenges does my target audience face? You can also come up with ideas using the topic solutions by this model. Think about four topics, say received, and divide up into smaller subtopics like dinner recipe or brunch recipe. This divide us up into even more specific topics like 20 minutes dinner recipe, mimosa recipe, and tech duration ideas. Any of these topics could be its own blog post. Recipes, dinner recipe, brunch recipe, dessert recipes, 20 minutes dinner recipes, mimosa ideas, cake decoration ideas, Thanksgiving dinner ideas, pancakes recipe, chocolate chips cookies recipe. If you still stuck, the list of blog ideas can help jumpstart the brainstorming process. They include a 30 before 30 list, also 40 before 40 or 50 before 50. Your source of inspiration, beginning guide, time saving hack, a challenge your face. Use these ideas to guide your, but feel free to add your own creative twist based on your niche. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।